This is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to take a quick peek at the 2020 Airstream Globetrotter 23fb twin bed model. Here are some of the specs. The length is a little bit under 24 feet. The freshwater capacity is 39 gallons, the gray 30, the black 18. Again, you can pause this list of items here, the description, at any time because I shot it at 4K, and you can just peruse it at your leisure. Here's the layout. This Airstream product was brought to the show by Airstream of DFW, which is part of VOT RV. They have 3 locations in Fort Worth. They're very nice people down there. Here's some storage. You can just open it up, twist it. You have to twist it and open it up, and there's some small storage. They have similar storage on the other side. Again, Airstreams aren't noted for their outdoor storage. They're, pretty frugal. You have to be very careful in what you're going to carry with your Airstream. There's a 30 amp connection, and it's the back of some electronics and some items back there. Again, if you have any questions, contact your local Airstream dealership or, Airstream of DFW. They pretty much know all this stuff. I'm just giving a short and a very quick walkthrough because people were coming in and out of this unit. My video here is not exactly in detail. Like I didn't take my time to do this. There's a water connections right there, and that's the outdoor shower and the heater. As you probably already know, Airstream is a premium product and they carry a premium price. Very high quality. My wife really likes Airstream products, and there's the side view, and there's the water heater where you can connect, alternating current right there. And as I noted earlier, there's the other storage on the other side. Not much storage on the outside of this Airstream. But what did you expect? What did you expect from an Airstream? Inside, they have a bit of storage, a lot more storage. There's some controls right there too. Again, this is a very abbreviated walkthrough of this Globetrotter. Very nice Globetrotter. And there's the rock guards right there. Right up front, they have some storage, and of course, that's a little area there. You can put some stuff. You get 2 propane tanks enclosed in that nice little aluminum shell. Power tongue jack, of course. Let's go check out this unit. Again, I was at the Grapevine, Texas Outdoor RV Show. A very nice RV show indeed. I had a great time. I plan to come back next year. Again, let's go inside and check it out. There's some switches, controls, and there's some little areas where you can put some of your items, hang them there. We're walking in the back area, and there's a shower unit. It's a small shower unit. It's a rather thin shower unit. Some of you big boys and girls maybe might not fit in this one, so I would pre-test to make sure you can squeeze yourself in there. And there's the mirror, and a nice little stainless steel bowl storage down here. A really nice spot to put your items, and over here some more storage, and a little cubby hole down there. And they have a ceramic toilet, of course. Nice stainless steel interior. And there's a fantastic fan. This unit has 2 fantastic fans, not just one, 2 fantastic fans. What do you think of this light interior? I like it. Here's some more storage where you can put some items, some small items. And this is your where you can put your post toasties, your Wheaties, your granola bars, and your macaroni and cheese, etc., and your canned goods, of course. I have a stainless steel bowl. It's a good size bowl. One thing I noticed in a lot of Airstream products that their stainless steel bowls are a little bit thicker, a little bit higher quality. This was nice porthole windows and blinds. Some switches back here, your alternating current, and it's a nice garbage can. Some units have garbage cans that are more like chutes and they collect a lot of crap, but that is just a garbage can. That works perfectly. Nice 3-burner stovetop, and of course convection microwave by Contour. I always get that name wrong. A little storage down there. And to the right is your little dinette. I like it. And of course that can convert to a little bed. If you have any questions, I would contact your local Airstream dealership. I'm pretty sure they know 10,000 times more than I do. There's some of your controls, including your Blu-ray player and some USB connections. Very nice indeed. Storage back there, storage to the left. Beautiful constructed plywood doors. Top of the line hinges and struts. An area there where you can put your keys, and of course my wife noted as we were both sitting inside, wow, this feels very nice inside here. It has a lot of windows and a lot of light, and with that light skin, very nice. There's a little cubby hole. I shot this with my little funky $80 action cam. I'm trying my best. I'm thinking about buying another action cam, but I don't know if I can rationalize spending that kind of money. But you never know. This cheapskate might just decide to spend the cash. There's some more storage there, and there's some more storage there. There's a little, wardrobe area where you can put your jackets, your coats, your outfits. There are so many people in this unit, they made a mess of it. I felt obliged to move the little things around a little bit just to make it look semi-decent. There's a little TV, some of the controls for the lights, and etc., etc. There's your connections for alternating current, for the antenna, etc. There's some window blinds. And right in the middle of the two beds, you have a little cabinet and storage area. Very nice. Let me open that up. Beautifully constructed cabinetry. Nice storage there, nice struts again, nice hinges. Can't complain about that. Speakers on both sides. I really like it. What do you think? Do you like this Airstream product? I know it's a little messy in here, but the folks that were touring this unit sort of made the place look a little funky. What can you say? Plenty of light in an Airstream. That's one of their hallmarks of an Airstream. You get plenty of light, a lot of windows. This light works very well. My wife was playing with it before I was. Yes, monkey see, monkey do. What can I say? Some more storage on this side, a nice little hanger storage where you can put your jackets, your coats, etc. And they have these nice little lights, that motion-activated lights. So I'm panning around because I had a little bit too much caffeine. I think I had around 5 Diet Cokes. Yes, I should not drink that much, diet beverages. I get a little hopped up. I apologize. There's a freezer storage up there, and this is a AC, DC, and also propane unit. It's a 3-way unit. Very nice. Plenty of storage. Again, this Airstream product is only good for like about a week worth of camping if you're very conservative, because you have very small tanks. But of course, if you're at a resort, it's no problem. You can, dump them at will. There's a little bit of storage there, very shallow storage. I'm playing with the switches because, again, why? Because I'm all hopped up on caffeine. There's that woven material on the floor. I like it. What do you think? Do you like it? I like it. I think it's very classy. Here's a shot looking towards the back and showing you the stainless steel ceiling. Very nice. And let me go backwards a bit, because I can still walk backwards without tripping over my legs. There's a second fantastic fan. There's the vents and the lights. My wife noted to me, hey, this little place here is a little loose. I could use a little bit of Gorilla Tape, a little double-sided tape to fix that. Maybe that's what the dealership will do. They'll put some little Gorilla Tape on there and call it good, huh? That's pretty smart, huh? So that's the MSRP, and it's on sale apparently. This is the 2020 Airstream Globetrotter 23fb twin bed model. I do RV reviews and tours. This was a quick week, just a quick tour. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I had a great time at the Grapevine Outdoor RV Show. From Fort Worth, Texas, this is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.